So here we are at the triangular windows now, and in this point you see the rock wall. We foamed a bit. We'll be doing more of that and caulking. Lots of air movement through here though the entire way down. This is very problematic to do because of the dry stack. So even if we can seal that, we've actually got to seal inside the rock here about 1.5 inches in on this dry stack. I think we'll be able to get it though, or at least knock it down maybe 70 or more percent hopefully. We're going to be doing all of that all the way up. This is actually a framed wall that we're looking at now. We're above logs. This is a faux log, it appears. I take that back. There is a framed wall behind the brick here. So there's OSB on it, and then the stone, not brick, the stone is attached to it. It changes, so it stops log here and changes. We have another plane change coupled with this irregular pattern of the rock. Unlike the trim we've seen earlier, but we'll treat it the same as far as sealing. Another problematic area up here, above the triangular windows, there is no seal whatsoever. And as we reposition ourselves here on the ladders, you can see that, if I get the smoke pencil up here, we've begun doing some foam, but once again, you barely even see the smoke linger. It's out of there. Huge amount of air. Probably a large part of the discomfort in the building, of course, is coming here. So we'll be sealing all of that and chinking that. Now, little point of aesthetics, this is about 1 inch, 1.25 inches here. The other one on the opposing side is about 2.5 inches. We will have to chink the entire thing to seal it and solve that problem. We'll also check around the entire frame to make sure. Now, I was concerned about the fact that the stain grade trim isn't caulked. You don't caulk stain grade trim, you only caulk paint grade. And I was concerned that it's a major form of leaking. It does have some movement, but as you see, not anything like what we have, other opportunities we have for air sealing. So that was actually a pleasure to see, and maybe you know, if you want to go 2 or 3 steps down the road of sealing the cabin, this would be something you'd address, but right now it's relatively a non-issue.